Good day everyone, you're watching RayTubeFixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to restore your Windows Media Player on your Windows 10 machine in case if it is not available. Now, Windows Media Player is a default player which comes along with the Windows. Now, for some reason, it gets disabled whenever you're trying to install Windows 10 or if you have upgraded your Windows from 8 to Windows 10 or 9 to Windows 10. Now this feature, Windows Media Player would be still available. Only thing is you will have to go ahead and enable this. Now let me walk you through step-by-step instruction on how to enable or restore back your Windows Player. Now the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on your start and go to settings. Under settings, once you're on the settings page, you will have to go to apps. Under apps, you will have to go to optional features. Once you're on the optional features, you will have to click on add feature. Once you're on the add feature, you will have to scroll down and look for Windows Media Player right here and click on install. So what this will do is it will go ahead and enable the installer for Windows Media Player. And if you go back to this page, you will see that Windows Media Player has been installed. Now, once the Windows Media Player has been installed, you should be able to open any of the video files using Windows Media Player. Now, if you look at the screen, by default, your Windows or Windows Media file will be opened up with movies and TV. Now, if you don't prefer to open your video files using movies and TVs, you can go ahead and change the default settings. So let's wait until this is completed so that I can walk you through on steps how to change the default uh, program to open your Windows file or media files in Windows Media Player. So it's almost done. So Windows Media Player has been successfully enabled back on the computer. If you scroll down, you will see Windows Media Player under optionals. Now here, what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on open with, and you will have to select Windows Media Player. It should open the file using Windows Media Player. Now, for the first time, you
Good day
will have to
everyone,
go
you're
ahead and
watching
select
RayTube.
default settings. Now, in case if you want all the files to open up in Windows Media Player, you will have to do a right click on any of the video file. If it is an MP3 file and you want all the MP3 file to open up in Windows Media Player, do a right click and go to properties. Under properties, click on, in my case, it is WMV. So if it is in your case, if it is MP3, you will have to click on right click, go to properties and click on change. Under change, select Windows Media Player, click on OK, click on apply and then click on OK, and all the files which are in WMV or MP3 which you have selected will open up in Windows Media Player. So this is how you can
Good day
go ahead
everyone, you're watching
and
RayTube Fixes.
open or restore your Windows Media Player on your Windows 10 machine. And in case if you need any assistance, please leave me a comment in the comment section. And also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button in case if this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.